Hello, and welcome to Vulgate AI. We're a premier library platform powered by artificial intelligence. I'll take the opportunity to demonstrate the platform and the key features you'll find. The first page you'll see after logging in is the dashboard. This is the home base for Vulgate, where you can easily access any recently viewed documents, collections, and searches. You can also see activity that was done by yourself or by collaborators on any shared documents. We'll get more into the collaboration features later. First, you'll need to upload your documents to Vulgate. By leveraging advanced AI data extraction technology, paired with cutting-edge AI computer vision, Vulgate stands apart from other OCR and AI document tools. Vulgate not only vectorizes your data to make it readable by generative AI models, but it also intelligently parses your content and semantically structures it to make it very accessible for both AI and humans. We offer ingestion in multiple modalities, including text formats such as PDFs, as well as URLs, images, and audio files, with support for native video coming soon. Let's use text for our example. I can drop in any number of PDF files that I'd like, but we'll just use one PDF for this example. Once that's done, I can submit it to the AI to begin processing. Here's the source document that I'm uploading. This file has many headers, footnotes, as well as general noise that needs to be cleaned up and parsed out. Once the document is finished processing, you'll get a notification in which you can go and view the extracted work. On the document summary page, you'll find an AI-generated summary of the work, as well as keywords and subjects automatically extracted. The transcript tab shows the entire extracted contents of the work, including the headers, page breaks, and other formatting. In particular, footnotes are carefully notated and content made easily available in line with the text. The document metadata is extracted using AI and added to the right-hand column for review and edits if necessary. Under the hood, we encode the text in TEI, a well-respected text standard used by many organizations, including libraries and research institutions, for digital archiving. You can also make edits directly to the work in this panel if necessary. This ensures your data is stored in an industry-standard format, which is interoperable with many other tools and systems. Next, we can get ready to publish the document. Once I'm ready, I can visit the Publish tab, ensure that everything looks correct, and hit the Publish button. This will vectorize the work and make it available in the Vulgate document viewer. Uploading audio files is effortless and intuitive. Simply drag and drop your files into the Upload panel, and the AI does the rest. It quickly transcribes your audio into text, automatically identifying different speakers and inserting precise timestamps. The built-in audio player makes it easy to listen to the source file while reading the transcript. The AI system also recognizes topical shifts, creating clearly defined segments with concise summaries. This not only helps you navigate your content more effectively, but also empowers the AI to deliver richer, more insightful interactions through the library chat feature. On that note, let's dive into the chat feature. You can quickly access your library using natural language prompts. Vulgate dynamically searches your library in real time and provides an answer in natural language, complete with citations and inline footnotes. Use the Attach feature to upload documents for additional analysis. For your convenience, you can access the chat feature from any page in Vulgate. Simply click the chat button and get AI research assistance, summaries, and more without leaving the page. You can also choose which content libraries you would like the AI to draw an answer from, increasing the breadth of knowledge from which your answer can draw. In addition, your chat history is available at the touch of a button. Next, let's head to the Query Library feature. This is where we can access one of Vulgate's key features, which is the neural search. Neural search leverages AI to intelligently search the library, which is vectorized, making it easy for artificial intelligence models to understand. The model looks over that data and understands your query. This is much more powerful than just a standard keyword search. I'll show you what I mean. Let's type in early church councils. You'll see that it gives me a list of the earliest councils, sorted by relevance, based on our AI's intelligent understanding of the query. Before I demo the document viewer, I'm going to quickly highlight the keyword search functionality. So instead of searching for early church councils, I could do something like Constantine. I could put in any sort of string that I'd like, one word or more. And as you can see, I get results based on the exact keyword. At this point, I'm going to click in and start looking through some of these results. So once I click into a result, you can see it will pop open in the preview mode on the right-hand side. So the real advantage and another feature in Vulgate is that you can easily switch between different search results. This makes it very easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You can quickly peek in and out of documents until you settle on the one that might be the most relevant. Working with your documents is a breeze thanks to our intuitive viewer and features. With just a click, I can access available translations of a document, and if none exist, I can instantly generate an AI-powered translation in any language without ever leaving the viewer. The translated text appears side by side with the original, making it easy to compare and analyze. Need to save key sections? I can bookmark both the source and translated text and organize them into one or multiple collections. And when inspiration strikes, I can even create new collections right from the viewer. That caps off the key features of Vulgate. Ready to explore Vulgate for yourself? Visit our homepage and click Get Started to create a free plan, which includes $20 worth of ingestion credits. Unlock the full potential of your data. Try Vulgate today.